In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google account, a Gmail account, and a YouTube channel so that you can comment on videos, have personalized playlists, and subscribe. There are two ways that you can create a Google or Gmail account. One is by going to www.gmail.com, create an account, and then a sign-in form will appear. You will need to enter a phone number to verify your account. The second way to create a Gmail account is directly through YouTube. Go to youtube.com, click on YouTube. Now, creating a Google account and a YouTube account are not the exact same thing. However, they are very closely tied. You can do this exact same thing on your mobile phone. On the top right-hand side, you'll see an option that says sign in. Again, this will be the exact same in the YouTube application. Click sign in. I have several Google accounts, so if you've already created your Google account, go ahead and click that one if you want to sign into YouTube. If you want to use a different account, click use another account, or there may be an option for you that says create account, especially if you have not already created a Google account. I'm going to choose use another account for an example. And you can see here down in the bottom, it says create account. Let's go ahead and do that. Identify if it's for yourself, for your child, or to manage my business. Let's just say manage my business. And here you will enter your first name, your last name, and your email address, and a password, of course. When you are done, make sure that you hit the next button. You can use your Google account to sign into almost anything on the internet. This makes it easy so you don't have to remember all those passwords. Now that your Google account is created, how do you create a YouTube channel? So easy. Go to the avatar on the top right-hand side. Again, this is the same for mobile device. If there's an option that says your channel, click that. This is my largest channel so far, Andrea Jean Cleaning. You can either go to customize channel or again to your avatar on the top right-hand side and go to YouTube Studio. If these options are not available for you, you'll either look here on the top right-hand side, it says create. You will upload a video and you can make it private if you'd like to. I can leave a video in the description box below about how to properly upload a YouTube video from your phone or from your desktop, such as this, or go ahead and comment on a YouTube video. In order for you to comment, oftentimes YouTube will prompt you to create a YouTube channel. Follow those prompts. I will link an additional video in the description box below about how to get started on YouTube. Give this a thumbs up, subscribe, and then click the videos on screen now, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.